Hi, I'm Dara, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to export your data on FlexLogger into CSV. So there's a couple different ways to do this, and the first way is just manually. So I already have a TDMS file generated from our previous test, and you can just right-click, click Export, and it will export into a CSV file where you want it to be located. We can also click the CSV file data right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, a CSV file is automatically generated. But if you want a TDMS file automatically generated with a CSV file, one way you could do that is go into your Logging Specifications tab on FlexLogger. We're going to go to Logging Options, and then we're going to click Export Automatically to CSV File Format once the logging is completed. And again, right here, we can click the CSV file data rate. So while CSVs are really convenient for some lightweight analysis or plugging into Excel or other spreadsheet software, there are a few caveats. CSV file data rate is 100 Hz in this instance, which is a smaller data rate than the TDMS file. So because of this, FlexLogger will have to decimate your data and have it sample at a lower rate. So for high accuracy and for long duration or high frequency tests, TDMS file format is always best. In this video, we saw how to export your data into CSV through a couple different methods. Thank you for watching.